And we have our first email question of the night from AC. What if I was injured in an accident that was partially my fault? How much will that affect my legal options? I think that's a perfect question for you, Mr.
I think that one, I'm going to take that one for you, Henry, okay? So it has to do with a personal injury case. AC, it depends on where the accident occurred. In the state of Florida, we have something called comparative fault. So if you're slightly at fault, maybe without getting into the details of it, you've already recognized that some of the responsibility of the accident is going to be placed on you. So if you're in the state of Florida and that happens, that's okay, because a jury or even by adjustment when we're doing the case pre-litigation, we can take that into account, 5%, 10%, amazingly in the state of Florida up to 99%. In the state of Alabama, somewhat different. State of Georgia, definitely different. But let's go to Alabama. Alabama has something called contributory negligence. And if you are just 1% at fault in the state of Alabama, your claim can be absolutely and totally barred. In the state of Georgia, it can go basically 50-50. If you're more than 50% at fault, then you may not be able to make a recovery. So it depends on where this collision occurred or where this accident occurred. The venue of where it occurred, meaning the location where it occurred, is going to determine the jurisdiction, and with the jurisdiction, it's going to determine which do we have. Do we have contributory negligence in the state of Alabama? Do we have pure comparative fault that we have in the state of Florida, or is it in the state of Georgia where we've got a hybrid on the comparative fault? So that's where it depends. So maybe we can get some information from you later, or you can email us back, give us that information, and we will be more than happy to address it a little bit further.